Today, I'm going to share with you how to create one of the biggest trending colors of the year, baby pink. Welcome, friends. My name is Corey Hoffman. You can find me at Corey Hoffman Hair on all social media, and I'm a hairstylist and Pulp Riot artist in Los Angeles, California. I really wanted to have the pink tones make an impact, but still have a lived-in feel. I love this option for my clients that live primarily as a blonde, but want to change it up with a soft pink. I'm pre-lightening my canvas with the fade in mind and knowing that it will be left with a highlighted look in a few weeks. The canvas that I'm starting with is a natural level 6 light brown, and I'm going to pre-lighten to a level 9 or 10 pale blonde in the foils. I will be using my go-to lightener in the salon, Blonde AF. I love that I can customize my mixing ratio for the technique that I'm doing. Today, I'm using a 1 to 1.5 mixing ratio with 20 volume for a thicker but movable consistency. I'm going to start by placing my foils on the diagonal and a 1/4 inch apart. Then I'll go back and place a teasy light between every foil to achieve maximum brightness on the ends. For more of a rooty look with maximum brightness all over, I'll backcomb closer to the scalp and place my lightener above the mid-lengths. For more dimension or more dark, I'll backcomb starting further down the strand and place my lightener at the mids through the ends. I wanted to have a little of both, so I alternated my backcombing between foils, over-directing towards the face to create a seamless transition, keeping, again, my maximum brightness towards the front. As you can see, the pre-lightened canvas is beautiful on its own, but we wanted to change it up a bit for something fun and flirty. Using our new molten metal from the Pulp Riot Precious Metals collection, I'm going to combine it with blush. This combination is a perfect tone for a lift-in pink. I'll mix 2 bowls with the same molten metal blush combination. Then in one of the bowls, I'm going to add Fickle to dilute. I pre-section into 4 quadrants for control, and I'm going to apply my first formula from scalp down to the mids and leave out just the ends where I start to notice that my hair is the most light. Each subsection I'm over-directing toward the face, mimicking my back-combed pre-lighten sections to create a seamless transition. For this look, I want my color to remain soft, and my client wants it to be more temporary, so I'm going to process this for the minimum of 25 minutes. What do you think? I'm loving this beautiful, no maintenance, soft lived-in pink. If you've been thinking of going pink, this is your sign. Thanks for joining me today to create this lived-in pink. If you want to see more ways to use Pulp Riot color, like and subscribe. Once again, my name is Corey Hoffman, and you can find me at Corey Hoffman Hair on all socials. See you next time.